Today we're looking at another pair of Air Jordan 1 Low Black Toes. Welcome back to Kicks on Kicks, my channel where I review sneakers, and today we've got another look at an upcoming Air Jordan 1 sneaker. This time around it's, well, I've actually a second look, we could call it, at the Air Jordan 1 Low Black Toes. Now, this is a shoe that's coming out, what, later this year, July? Maybe not July. I don't remember when these are coming out. I'll put it on the screen though. But anyway, I saw an early replica of these. They had a white tongue, and then people were kind of like, oh, like those are clearly fake because they got a white tongue, which was true. They were clearly fake and they had a white tongue. These are also not legit and don't have a white tongue. So we're going to talk about this shoe, talk about the differences between this and the retail sneaker that you can expect to see out later this year. And we'll, that's actually all we're going to do. So huge shout out to the homies in the description for sending this over for me to review. Let's take a look at the shoe, shall we? Because once again, it's a standard Air Jordan 1. So from the bottom up, you got your Air Jordan 1 outsole in the standard old Varsity Red that you would normally see on a black toe. Looking at your midsole, stark white midsole. Nothing special to see here. You've seen it once, you've seen it a million times. Look at your toe box. Real soft leather on the toe box and on the mid panels. I gotta say, it feels nice. I don't know what premium is anymore, but I do like the way this feels. It doesn't feel cheap and plasticky like some other Air Jordan 1s with the super heavy polyurethane coating on it. This feels like right in the middle. I like it. I like it. On your swoosh, you got a black leather swoosh, which leads to the red on the heel of the shoe, on the back of the shoe. You got a screen printed Air Jordan 1 Wings logo there. And I'm trying to just look at the quality on that screen print. Looks good. Nothing super noticeable to me about this. And I mean, that's pretty much the shoe. Now, this shoe, for whatever reason, came to me with a tan or sail waxed lace in it. And I think the reason for that is because there was like a mock-up image, a promo image that went on all the popular sneaker blogs that showed this shoe with the sail lace. I don't think this is supposed to be coming with a sail lace, guys. I'm pretty sure this is going to come with your standard black lace and perhaps a red lace in the box. But what do I know? I'm just a reviewer. So anyway, this shoe itself does come, or did come, with that sail waxed lace, which to me seems to be a dead giveaway. If you know where that's from, like, shout out to you. Regular old Nike Air insole on the inside. These shoes, these laces, by the way, look like they're going to be way too long for this low top sneaker. But what do I know? I'm just a reviewer. All in all, though, pretty cool quality on these. These are supposed to be getting the OG treatment, which just means that this toe box should be wider compared to other Air Jordan 1s. Now I got to grab a pair of Jordan 1s so I can compare them. This looks that looks about the same. You know what other shoe had the super wide toe box? All the Travis Scott Jordan 1s had that going on. And let's grab the pair real quick. All right, so comparing this to the Travis, this looks about the same. I would say the toe box on this one. Okay, there are differences between the Travis and this, and the differences are mainly in the shaping around that cutout. It's not much of a difference, but there is a difference. But I'd say these are probably good enough. You could say that it's got the OG toe box treatment. But hey, listen, again, it's just sneakers. Now, as far as legit checking indicators on this, who's going to know on an Air Jordan 1 Low without seeing them side by side with another? What I can say, though, is I feel like the sort of buttery leather we've got on the toe box and all that, that probably is going to be continued on the heel. This leather on the heel feels cheap in comparison and looks really dull in comparison. I have a feeling that the leather on this shoe should be a lot closer to the red on those reds up there that are just out of my reach and I'm not going to grab. So that's that. So legit checking indicators. This is probably the wrong lace. This is probably the wrong quality on the leather. But until the retail shoe comes out, we can compare them in hand. I got nothing for you. So I appreciate you guys taking the time to watch this video. Just a real quick look at the packaging because we always do that about this time. Standard Nike Air Jordan 1 box. Air Jordan 1 Low SE is what this says, although I think they should say Jordan 1 Low OG. And then it says white, black toe. So that size tag, that's probably a dead giveaway as well. There's no mention of the red. Yeah, so there's something for you to think about. And inside the box does come with your little cardboard box laces. This time they are red. Also came with some little information from Nike China. So probably something that your retail shoe is not going to come with. Just another legit checking indicator for you. And with that, there's really nothing else to say. Appreciate you guys watching me, and I'll see you guys in another review real soon. Peace.